Hey, what's going on? Peace. What's up? And how's everybody doing? Are you the type of person that likes to use protection? And I'm talking about your smartphone. I'm not talking about your personal life, right? Because a lot of the times you have a smartphone, right? And these cameras right here can get scratched up. The back material can get scratched up. Even the screen, right? So that's why I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be unboxing a case right now for the Samsung Galaxy A23, okay? So make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. Let's run this video up to 30 likes in the first day so we could beat the YouTube algorithm, right? But let's just go ahead and take a look at this case for the Samsung Galaxy A23. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unbox it real quick. It looks pretty solid. It's a clear case as well, and it's gonna offer some grip. It's gonna offer us some protection from drops, and it looks pretty cool. It looks like it even comes with screen protectors. So let's go ahead and just open up this box right here. I'm gonna cut the tape right here from the top, and let's go ahead and cut this and kind of lift this up and kind of see what we have here. So this is the presentation that is involved when we're dealing with this case, and I'll make sure I leave the cheapest link down below so you guys can check it out for yourselves. Okay, so this is actually you're getting a lot for a little. I just want to throw that out there, that you're getting a lot for a little. So right here you get all the stickers that you would need, okay? And then you're going to be getting a tempered glass screen protector as well. So I'm going to throw this back behind me so you can see right here we have the tempered glass screen protector film, which is going to, let me just read this. It says right here on the front, it does say that it's explosion proof efficiency, non plating, seating processing, high definition vision, heliophobic function, and scratch and water resistant. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I guess we get the screen protector too. So what I did notice is that the screen didn't actually scratch, but there's like a little tiny micro scratch on my camera. So let's go ahead and take a look at this case. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the plastic. And there is an installation guide right here. So it does say right here, separate the hard frame from the back cover from the bottom right hand corner entirely. Snap the front onto your phone. Slide the front, you know what I'm saying? It does say slide the front frame along the phone into the back frame on the top, and then the installation is basically ready to go. So what I want to also do is the screen protector, we do get some wipes, and we do get some dust magnets as well. So yeah, let's do the tempered glass first, okay? So it does come with that in the box. I think that's something that's pretty cool. I wish they put two in here, but there's only one, so I just kind of wanted to throw that out there. But you get these wipes and a dust absorber. So before you put it on, I know I have a lot of dust flying around in this room, so it's going to be impossible for me not to do this without having dust on the screen, pretty much. But we'll try our best and then go from there, okay? So what you want to do is have this in hand before you apply the screen protector, because dust is flying around right now. You want to turn off all fans in the area and basically just put it on as quick as possible, because what's going to happen is there's a high chance and a high possibility that dirt can get trapped into this thing, okay? So let me peel this off and do that at the exact same time. Keep the screen dark so that I can measure it precisely. And I don't see any dust, so I'm gonna go for it right now. Just gonna go ahead and put that right over the camera region and hope for the best. Okay, it's crooked. Let's make it even. I think that's about right. That's about right. So I'll leave that there and just press down on it. And now after you press down on it, you're gonna see that it starts to form onto the phone screen, which is gonna be pretty cool, right? So it didn't look like I caught any dust inside of it. Let me just make sure I'm gonna take out the bubble right here and then at the bottom. And I think this was a perfect installation because I don't see no dust on it. So that was like that was kind of crazy. Now this is the case itself right here, and it does come with one of those plastic thingy majiggies on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off, okay? We'll toss that to the side, and then there's gonna be one more in the inside. And then you basically separate this part from this part. So let me show you what I'm talking about. They got a groove right here. You could just put your finger in and it pops open. Then you put this over top of the phone, okay? And like I said, I'm gonna leave the cheapest link down below to where you could pick this up. And then you just pop this thing in here, and that's pretty much it. So let me, what you have to do is now lock the sides in place, and you get the grip around it. This is like a grippy material right here, has really good grip. The fingerprint sensor has this really wide open space for you to put your finger in, which is, I think that's my favorite part about this. That indentation feels so clean. The screen protector installation worked perfectly. There's this one bubble and I could just wipe that out right here. There's a lot of lip with the plastic edge, so it's a lot of lip. And then on the back you can see that the camera hump has been protected just from, you know what I mean, like it's definitely raised so that it's not going to allow you to drop the phone and scratch the camera. So you could see all the cutouts right here for your the 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone type C, and speaker. Let's test out the buttons. A little bit more resistance than before, but nothing that would make me go crazy. I could still raise and lower the volume without any issue, so it's a cinch to do that. On this side it does cover the SD card slot, and then you can even see the Samsung down below right here where it says Samsung. So wow, this did go really smooth as far as the installation. So you can definitely drop that on a table now or anything like that, and it should hold up very well. It might this plastic right here doesn't feel that sturdy, but it does definitely, for the price, I mean, I can't complain whatsoever. So I didn't have to use the wipes or the guides. I just used the dust remover, and you saw how I installed it, right? It was pretty straightforward, right? But if you found this video helpful in any way possible, I truly appreciate it if you hit the like button, subscribe, and get notified. I encourage you to hit the bell as well, so that way you can watch more videos just like this, and I'm gonna get right back with you. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.